Hey guys, thanks for joining me in today's episode. Today's episode here in the shop isn't actually in the shop. Today's episode is going to be down at my grandparents'. What I'm doing today is I'm going to be replacing some deck boards around the pool. They're old, they're rotten, they're getting splinters. We need a few of them replaced. We just got done pressure washing it, we see where the need is, so we're going to get it taken care of. Now, some of the problems that guys who have actual work shops have is getting their tools from the shop to where they have to go, if it's someplace other than in the shop. So what I do is, like this tool bag right here, I take my tools, I put them in those tool bags, and I try to think ahead on the things I would possibly need different tools for. For this job, I'm going to need a hammer, I'm going to need some pry bars to get those boards up and out of the spots where they're at, and then I'm going to need my chop saw, which is right here over my shoulder, some extension cords, my chop saw table, tape measures, stuff like that. And then I try to think ahead on things that could possibly go wrong I need another tool for. Pliers. If I break a nail head off as I'm pulling the boards up out, there's nothing to grab with a pry bar to be able to pull it up. So grab a good pair of pliers, take it, and pry it up out. So, things like that I try to think of. I bring everything with me all in one shot, so I'm not making numerous trips back and forth from my house to their house to get the things that I need. So I'm going to get all this stuff together and bring it down to my grandparents' house. I'm going to bring you guys with me on this one. So, anyway, stay with me. We're going to have some fun. Almost forgot. Alright guys, we're down here at the pool. We're here on the deck. I'm going to show you guys the areas and the boards that are going to be being replaced. Alright, so here's some of the damage that we're going to be replacing today on the deck. As you can see, these boards are rotted out. So after we got done pressure washing. So, that's what we're replacing. Replacing all the rotten spots on the deck today. Alright, so you see the areas that we're replacing. I'm going to get to it. I got the boards out in the trailer. I'm going to back in, get them unloaded, and start cutting them up, pulling these off, and replacing them. Alright guys, here's all the deck boards that we had to replace. You can see all the unfinished ones here. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the deck boards all put back into place. Everything's all set. We used 2-inch deck screws, exterior grade, to fasten these boards down. We're all done. So Thanks for joining me, guys. I'll see you again soon on my next episode. Bye.